busy pero hindi lumalago? Are you working every single day but your business is standing still? If you've ever felt stuck like this, there's this couple na si Rustom at saka si Lottie. Meron silang water refilling station and both of them were at the station every single day. Rustom manned the machines. Lottie naman handled the walk-in customers and phone orders. Delivery schedules, complaints, staff absences, they managed everything themselves and they were exhausted. Every single day felt the same. Open the station, fill orders, handle people, problems, close up, go home, sleep, repeat. But here's what broke my heart. Rustom told me, Mami N, 2 taon na kaming ganito. Walang nagbago, same revenue, same problems, pareho ang pagod. So, tinanong ko siya one question. When was the last time you sat down, both of you, and planned for the future of this business? Tumahimik siya. Because the answer was never. They were so busy keeping the station running that they never had time to think about growth, never had time to explore new delivery routes, never had time to consider adding services. They were busy, incredibly busy. But the business was not moving forward because the owners were spending all their energy running the day, not building the future. So, ano yung tinuturo nito sa atin? Simple. Being busy and being productive are not the same thing. If you spend all your time on daily operations, you have no time left to grow. You become an employee of your own business, not the owner. Kaya, if you don't do something about it, the longer you will be stuck in that situation. Yes, anak, I've seen this pattern over and over in my 4 decades in business. Hardworking couples tulad namin, dedicated owners, pouring everything into their negosyo, pero slowly, quietly, becoming prisoners of what they built. The chains are real, pero hindi mo agad nakikita. It's the knowledge you never wrote down. It's the decisions only you can make. It's the temporary fix that became permanent. It's the control you refuse to let go of. It's the busyness that replaced real progress. And the hardest part? Ikaw ang gumawa nitong mga kadena yourself. One good intention at a time. Pero anak, eto yung good news. If you built it, you can also break it. It starts with seeing the chains clearly. And now, I hope you do. So this week, I want you to sit down with your partner and ask yourself honestly, alin ba dito sa 5 truth ang nagkikip sa iyo na nakatrap, na nakakadena right now? I want you to share your answer in the comments because I love to hear your story. Because the moment you name the chain, anak, that's the moment you start breaking free. Now, that's how to be business-minded, Pinoy.